Amid clashes at Singhu border, farmer leaders from Kisan Mazdoor Sangharsh Committee claim that they were being stopped by cops while carrying out peaceful parade. They claim that they are being asked to take a route that was not agreed upon. All right, so clearly there is a difference of opinion there on the routes when it came to the actual tractor rally. The Kisan Mazdoor Sangharsh Committee have raised objections. The farmer leaders say that they moved towards Ring Road and the police was stopping them. Also, the farmer leaders say that they were carrying out a peaceful parade. At the moment, we are also getting information that they are in fact considering having another discussion with the cops. The farmer leader says gave cops 45 minutes to speak to seniors. Route suggested by cops wasn't agreed upon. Alok is joining us from the ground right now. Alok was right there at the Mukarba Chowk earlier. Let's just go across to him to understand what's happening right now. Alok?
Yes, so I am here at Mukarba Chowk and I am showing it to the visuals that how the farmers are now moving towards Ring Road. You can see this lane, which is they are taking left turn. This left turn, they are going towards Ring Road, which my video journalist Dilip is showing it to you. Earlier, there were violence kind of thing has also happened here because the farmers were stopped. These are the farmers who were stopped by the police and in fact the tear gas shells were also used. I mean, show you to you, these are the tear gas shells which were in fact thrown at the farmers. My video journalist will show you. These are the tear gas shells which were thrown at the farmers over here where we are standing. In fact, the farmers, these farmers are basically belonging to one of the groups which were not at all ready to, in fact, to accept the police proposal, the route which was prescribed by the police. However, there are 40 other organizations which were completely ready. They were ready to follow the police route, but this organization, which is Kisan Sangharsh Committee, Kisan Mazdoor Sangharsh Committee, basically these farmers are from Amritsar, Taran Taran, and various other districts as well. They are here and they initially started their rally first and they managed to reach at the place from where the route was diverted. But at the diversion, that is where where I am standing, Mukarba Chowk, they did not listen to the police and they managed to break the barricades. In fact, when they were breaking the barricades, police used the tear gas shells on them to control them. But it is a huge number of farmers. This is around 5 to 6 thousands of farmers are here, and however the police personnel were around just 100, just around thousands or 100 or 1500 in number. So definitely the number of police personnel were very less, but farmers around in 5,000. They managed to break the barricade and now they are moving towards Ring Road. Important part here is that how the police managed to control the law and order situation when they will be moving on the Ring Road. Because the Red Fort also falls on the Ring Road, the backside of the Ring Road, the Red Fort also falls, and there are several tableaus usually stands at the parking of the Ring Road, of the parking of the Red Fort as well. So definitely the chaotic situation may occur again. But right now here at the Mukarba Chowk, the situation is under control. At one side, the police personnel are standing. In fact, if you see the police personnel are standing, they are completely seems to be helpless and they are allowing the farmers to go towards the Ring Road. So this is right now the situation is. Back to you.
Okay. Right, Alok. So this is a developing situation. We don't yet know what happens when the farmers actually access the Ring Road. Like you're saying that there's the Red Fort out there and some of the tableaus will be using part of that route. So we are going to in fact just report what's happening on ground through you, Alok. Thanks for now.